Want to make restaurant-quality fish tacos at home? These Blackened Mahi Mahi Tacos are spicy, fresh, and packed with flavor. Let's get started. You'll need 2 mahi-mahi fillets, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon salt and pepper, corn tortillas, 1 cup shredded cabbage, half cup sour cream, juice of 1 lime, half cup chopped cilantro. Rub the mahi-mahi fillets with olive oil and season generously with the blackened spice mix. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and cook the fillets for 3 to 4 minutes per side until flaky and charred. Whisk together sour cream, lime juice, and cilantro for a creamy sauce. Lightly char the corn tortillas over an open flame or in a dry pan. Place shredded cabbage in each tortilla, top with flaky mahi-mahi, drizzle with the lime sauce, and finish with extra cilantro and a squeeze of lime. And there you have it! Blackened Mahi Mahi Tacos in under 20 minutes. If you love quick and flavorful meals, hit that like button and subscribe for more.